Hello friends, welcome to the next tutorial of this module. In this tutorial, we will talk about what is Blind XSS. So Blind XSS is a flavor of cross-site scripting where the attacker blindly deploys a series of malicious payload on web pages that are likely to save them to a persistent state, maybe in a database or in a log file. Then, without knowing any details about where the payloads have ended up or if they are going to be executed, the attacker waits for the payload to be pulled out of storage and rendered on a web page loaded by the user. So, what happens in case of login forms? Login forms usually takes the input username string and save it to a log file which can be viewed later. Hence, a failed login with a malicious script entered in the username field of the login form will cause the server to save an entry into the log file, which will have a malicious script as the username. An attacker can perform such several login attempts in order to get the malicious script into the log database or log file. Later on, when an administrator of that website checks out the logs for the day, and if those logs come up in a web page, the malicious script may get executed and call back to the attacker with the desired information. So this is how a blind XSS is executed. So thank you for watching this tutorial.